Sure. I'm sorry, David Rogers, where is he?
Stand up, David.
Come on up. Does he speak English?
Yes, you are.
Okay, it's just having trouble communicating. You're David Lee Rogers?
Yes, sir.
You were charged here with a second-degree felony of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And if convicted, you face up to 20 years in prison. So this is a most serious allegation here.
He appears to have picked up at least 2 different misdemeanors while he's been out on bond on this.
Who is Charlatha?
My wife.
Okay, do you know you cannot have any contact with her, even though you're married? You haven't?
No, sir.
Okay, if we find out, your bond would be revoked and you would sit in jail until this thing came to trial, which could be a while.
Back on January 8th of 2025, he made admissions that he was around her. And the court went through extensive explanations about the violations and then ordered that he have a GPS.
And that's what you have,
Yes,
a
ma'am.
GPS device?
Yes.
So what else? You had said something, the state?
Your Honor, since he's gotten this bond, looking over this file coming down, he's picked up 3 additional misdemeanors since this bond was set.
Okay, I don't know anything about that.
I'm showing on the
Tell
system,
me.
Mr. Macon represents him on a DWI from April 26th of 24. And unlawfully carrying a weapon. And I informed Mr. Macon that he has an additional charge coming from February 22nd of this year for assault causing bodily injury.
On whom?
Since it's deferred, I don't have the victim's name on that thing.
I think it would be important to know.
Yes, sir, I
It
agree.
could be somebody we know in
Yes,
this
sir.
case.
Yes, sir, I agree. But I don't have that.
On my watch, you're gonna pick up all these arrests on my watch? First bond condition, don't commit a crime. That's the very first one, sir. Because it's the most important. And you're gonna run up arrests. When did all of this occur?
The latest was February 22nd of this year, Judge.
Can I get a charging instrument, a copy of a charging instrument?
That's what was deferred. I don't have that information, Judge.
And I don't have anything.
When was it deferred? When was he placed on deferred?
It was sent back for us to get proper, it was a.
Oh,
deferral.
he's not on deferred
No,
adjudication.
sir. It was a
Okay.
deferral from our office.
Yeah, you gotta be clear.
And
Deferred,
the listed
we
name,
use it in different ways.
sorry, Judge.
That's okay.
The listed name is Damari, spelled Dmauri Fisher.
Okay, what's the charge again?
That's misdemeanor, class A misdemeanor assault.
Notice the confusion over the word deferred. That may sound minor, but in court, terminology matters a lot. Deferred adjudication has a specific legal meaning in Texas, and the judge immediately jumps in to clarify it. Small wording. Mistakes can create major misunderstandings about someone's criminal status.
Can I get a probable cause, by any chance?
If I had it, I'd give it to you,
What's
Judge.
next on him? He's got 3 of them.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
Finding out the information's on the 2 misdemeanors.
Those two arise out of the same date, which is April 26, 2024. That is the offense of DWI and apparently was unlawfully carrying a weapon. Is he?
Is also out of when? What day?
2 charges, same date, April 26, 2024.
Okay, that was before he was indicted in this. And before he committed the July 5th.
You're right, Judge. That's staying corrected. Thank you.
What, but you said there was a third one?
That was the one that's been deferred by our office for additional information.
Okay. See, we make a big deal about this.
Yes, sir.
Assaults are just, you're charged with aggravated assault. Problem is, you picked up these two assaults.
And here comes the bigger issue. The judge isn't reacting to just one allegation anymore. He's connecting dots. Aggravated assault, another assault allegation, weapon-related charges. This is the moment the court starts asking, is this becoming a pattern of behavior?
DWI on April 26th, and then an assault. No, it's a unlawfully carrying a weapon. While intoxicated. And those were handed up on, those were filed on February 25th, but they were alleged to have been committed, and I guess you were arrested on April 26th of 2024. And then a little over 2 months later, you're charged with this aggravated assault. Can I have, is this a copy for me? Or is this yours?
She got it.
Okay, that's right, she did. What bothers me is handguns are your favorite thing, according to these charges. The misuse of handguns seems to be something that you make mistakes over. Okay. What's happened since July 5th of 20?
That line hits hard. Handguns are your favorite thing going to these charges. That's the judge openly signaling concern about repeated firearm-related conduct. And once a judge starts framing your behavior as a recurring public safety issue, bond conditions, or even bond itself can be in serious jeopardy.
2024. Any other charges or arrests according to
This
this?
is the one that I'm need to do some follow-up from this year, Judge.
And what data do you have that you can tell me now about it?
I've been looking at, there's nothing in there, Judge, that I can share with Your Honor.
Anyway,
I apologize. Seeing the 25 date, I thought it was after the date.
it's okay. Not a problem.
Mistake.
No, we're smelling smoke here. We're looking for the fire.
Yes, sir.
There's too much smoke. And you've done something that you don't want. You've got my attention. Close attention. Okay.
If we reset this for about 2 weeks, I believe I can have follow-up on the other and we can consider the bond at that time.
Well, it's what I'm more interested in is what are we going to do in this case?
So this case has been kind of in a stall process
Why?
while he was trying to get into Veterans Court. He was declined,
Okay.
and you made an order that if that occurred, he had to hire an attorney. He's apparently done that. And it was on a trial docket in March, but we've not had an opportunity to visit with Mr. Macon about the case.
When's the next? When's the next setting? What are we? It was in March. You said was the trial.
March was the last setting on the trial docket.
Well, why isn't it just rolling over to the next setting?
We can do that, Jeff.
That's what we're gonna do. I want this thing tried as soon as we can. It's now it's headed toward 2 years. And he's got other issues and that That's bothersome. Does he have any prior convictions? Looking at the, let's see, public safety report shows. Nothing. Whether it's
Other than the state of Texas judge.
All right, let's put this on the trial document. So we're gonna do,
I'll be in touch with Mr. Hand. I'll keep it, James.
and is somebody coming?
Yes.
Yeah, just, I want to check in before he leaves with, in the penalty box. Okay, thanks.
See.